Somebody call for a fast pass? Need to get somewhere fast, you kid? Better run fast. Catch you later.
Hello there, new kid. We haven't been formally introduced. I'm Mr. Crime Syndicate Kingpin Guy, and you're the one who keeps farting on all my best people. Are we really so different, you and I? We both want what's best for this city. I know you've probably got places to be, but why don't you come talk to me instead? I'm at the old Soto Sopa ruins. Come on, what do the Coon friends really have to offer you?
Clear for takeoff. Whoa, whoa. Yeah. Man, my whole outfit reeks now. Thanks a lot. Let's do this! Ah!
Oh my, how are they doing this?
Yes! See you, man! Okay, let's do this. Diabetes destruction. I fulfilled my duty, and now I must depart.
Our coffee is
Chaos is calling you out. Yeah, bitch. Smart move.
New kid! New kid, I'm waiting for you in your bathroom! New kid!
I think it's wrong they make cisgendered people share a bathroom. It must be so hard for you. Anyway, I've got a problem, new kid. I'm like you, an outsider. I've been watching as adults in our town act stranger and stranger, but nobody will listen to me. I started cross-referencing everyone's Instagrams to see what kind of connection I could find, and that's when it happened. Somebody canceled my cellular data plan. My phone is dead. Whoever did this has to pay. I'm going to the mobile company to find out what happened. I can't go alone. I'm asking for your help, new kid. I think you're the only one who understands.
Hey, young brother. Come over here for a minute. Morgan Freeman has a gift for you. Come on, new kid. I don't have all day. I was given this afro pick in 1972 when I was just a young man at the age of 68. I'm giving it to you now because it carries special energy that'll enhance your powers. And, well, us black people gotta stick together. Know what I'm saying? Use it well, brother.
Wait.
Your precious global financial system is in flames. Hey, what are you doing down there? You think that will do anything?
All right.
No fear! I didn't know you had real superpowers in your butt. I'm out of here.
Nothing lifts the mood like seeing other people's healthy bank accounts all day.
No, girls. Allowed.
Okay, here's Farty Pants now. Come join us. Coon friends, these are dark times. We now know for a fact that Scrambles the Missing Cat is part of a larger conspiracy. We also know that the fucking Freedom Pals have more information about this conspiracy than we do. Fact.
Maybe we should just face it, guys. Maybe Freedom Pals have a better super franchise than we do.
Hey, that's no way to talk, Mosquito. The only reason that Freedom Pals are ahead of us right now is because they're butt-fucking cheaters who sold out.
Yeah, but Freedom Pals have Dr. Timothy, and he can read people's minds and bend reality.
Yeah, because he just said that. When we made up our superpowers, he was like, well, I have every power to do fucking everything. You think that's fair? It's time for us to be as dirty as them. We have to know what the Freedom Pals know. Well, how are we ever going to get the help of the Freedom Pals? We send a spy. Someone in our group who pretends to want to switch sides and join Freedom Pals. Somebody who they don't know very well. The new kid joins Freedom Pals, then asks for assistance investigating the communities in it.
Hope the new kid is good at bullshitting.
You'll never get past the security, Grizz. They change it every day. I can get the new kid inside. I've got hacking abilities, remember? Because I'm a gadgeteer class with the tinkering ability.
No dice, Chaos. You're just saying that to get out of jail.
You better let him go. The new kid will need him.
All right, fine. Get the new kid inside Freedom Pal's base.
Okay.
And if he tries anything funny, kill him.
All right, you ready to go to see Freedom Pals with me? Okay, come on, I gotta get my minions first. You're about to enter the Chamber of Chaos, new kid. There's no way to unsee the horror. We haven't cleaned up for a while, so watch where you're stepping. No, no, that's not it. What's this? No, no. Oh, here we go. My minion! Hey, little buddy, you ready to go hack some control panels? All right, let's get to Freedom Pals base and then
Spotted! Where have you been, mister?
Whoa! Hey, Dad. But I just been hanging out with my new friend and
You didn't come home last night, Butters. Your mom and I were worried sick. We could barely enjoy the movie we were watching.
I'm sorry, Dad. I just my new friend and just really mean to.
Sorry's not gonna cut it, mister. And you, what's your name?
You gotta say something. You don't understand.
I asked you a question. Who are you?
Please don't do this.
That does it. Butters, you are grounded. And so is your smart-ass little friend.
And so Professor Chaos was locked away forever, huh? Well, I guess you can borrow my stuff since we're teammates now. Looks like I'm grounded. I'm grounded again. Gonna shrivel up and die here. And so is my new friend, or I'm grounded. My dad installed a new lock on the door, see? But with that big old electric lock on the door, there ain't no way I can even think about getting out of here, young man. I'm grounded. Oh, sorry for getting you trapped in here, new kid. It's no use, new kid. When I'm grounded, there's no escape. Hey, what'd you make that for, new kid? What do you think we should do? I know you'll think of something. What are you doing, new kid? Do you need to go to the bathroom? Geez, new kid, I don't know. Well, all right, but be careful with him. Hamburgers. Whoopee! Boy, howdy, new kid. Why, your butt can do all kinds of cool stuff.
But that's impossible. I grounded you. How could you be here right now?
It wasn't me, Dad. It was a new kid.
You have some kind of ability to unground people? Whoever you touch becomes ungrounded, is that it? Your evil magic is not welcome here, Darkling. Ah! You're grounded!
that's some discipline. Any of you been swearing? That's a grounding.
No, sir, we aren't doing any of those things.
What the hell? I swear I was just about to ground somebody.
Fuck him up, butthole.
It's coming right for us.
Ow!
Now you ready to straighten up and fly right? Who will I ground next? Maybe all of you.
Oh, gosh.
Playing with fire? That's grounds for a grounding.
You got this. The new kid can't be grounded. It's like a miracle, you guys.
God damn it! Tough love, Butters. I'm doing you a favor. Any of you been swearing? That's a grounding.
No, sir, we aren't doing any of those things.
It's go time, Buttlord.
Butters, this is your fault. You're grounded. Now that's some good corporal punishment. Here comes a grounding.
Oh. Gosh,
You got screwed.
give him hell, douchebag. All right.
Hey, you're supposed to stay grounded.
I forecast gentle breezes with a high chance of lasers and burning. Time to end this.
That just makes me more angry at Butters.
Whoa, people are still alive down here?
Oh, you little bastard. You're grounded. That ought to knock some manners into you. Who will I ground next? Maybe all of you.
Well, it sure's been nice being your friend, guys.
Hell yeah, I'm ungrounded.
Hey, you're supposed to stay grounded.
I have a really good feeling about this, guys. Get keen.
This is what happens when children aren't disciplined at home.
Oh, I'm up? Okay.
Your parents will hear about this. That's it. You are grounded.
Fucking goddamn it.
Oh, what's that? Oh, shit. I mean, I'm totally fine. But still.
Who will I ground next? Maybe all of you.
Well, it sure's been nice being your friend, guys. You're up, Ass Blaster.
What kind of Jew black magic is this?
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Super Best Friends.
Let all debts be forgiven and all slaves freed. Mwah.
Just accept that you're grounded.
ground that ungroundable kid even if I have to ground everybody!
Ah, hamburgers!
What the hell? I swear.
Hell yeah, I'm ungrounded.
Hey, you're supposed to stay grounded!
Step aside, coon friends. Daddy's home.
Good.
Now go tell everyone you cut yourself manscaping.
It's for your own good.
You fuck with the coon, you answer to his friends, right guys?
Yeah, we'll get around to it.
Any of you been swearing? That's a grounding.
No, sir, we aren't doing any of those things.
Are you delinquents happy now?
Don't mess this up, dickbag.
All right.
Hey, you're supposed to stay grounded.
Not sure if you know, but hell hath no fury like Wrath of Kite. Activate the Wrath of Kite.
Key.
By the power vested in my laser eyes, I now pronounce you on fire.
Yeah! Get your mom to kiss that boo-boo.
You'll thank me later.
Man. Quit screwing around, buttlord.
I'm gonna ground that ungroundable kid even if I have to ground everybody.
Well, it sure's been nice being your friend, guys. Fuck him up, new kid. All right.
Hey, you're supposed to stay grounded.
Earth's mightiest kite. Thank me later.
Lucky?
Oh, you little bastard. You're grounded!
Really?
Walk it off, buttlord.
Who will I ground next? Maybe all of you.
Oh, gosh.
Punch someone for the coon, fartlord.
Oh, you little bastard. You're grounded!
Your turn is now property of Coon and Friends.
This is the part where the bad guys regret their life choices.
Damn it, Butters, you're grounded for life!
I am, but I don't feel grounded. Hey, guys, I'm not grounded. I'm ungroundable.
No!
I gotta get out of here before my dad regains consciousness. Phew. We must go now and infiltrate the Freedom Pals base. Meet me outside the Freedom Pals School for the Gifted and Talented. we spread disorder or entropy today? Yes and yes. Tool shed's here. Good. We're spreading some good chaos today. Tool shed's got what you need. We did it. You made it! Here it is. Freedom Pals School for the Gifted and Talented. This way, do-gooder. Ah, so that's where their secret goes. Ha! They think they can stop Professor Chaos with a terminal thingy? I can hack anything! Here, little minion. That did the trick! Gee whiz, would you look at this? Wow, now this is a superhero base. Holy smokes, they got a training room and computers and lights. Well, this beats the crap out of Coon's base, huh, new kid? Gee, I could play here every day.
What are you doing here?
Oh, hey, hey, Mysterion. Well, we were just hoping to speak with Dr. Timothy. Why? The new kid wants to switch franchises, and I told him I'd help.
Hey, new kid. Thought you might end up here. They're here to spy on what Timothy is working on.
I say we rip him to shreds.
Calm down, everyone. Let's hear what they have to say.
Oh, God. It's him.
This is a fairly shocking change of heart for you, Professor. You really wish to help the new kids switch franchises?
Well, yeah. You know, we just thought that, you know, your franchise seems a lot more open and progressive. But, you know, we just thought he should switch because Coon and Friends kind of isn't going anywhere. Oh, God, see, the new kid came to me and said, how do I quit Coon and Friends? And since I hate Coon and Friends, I decided to help him out. You get anything?
The aluminum foil on his helmet seems to be blocking my abilities.
Don't trust them, Doc. They can't see what you've been working on back there. What if the new kid really wants to switch?
We can see if the new kid's intentions are pure. We're sending Tupperware on a very important mission today. You can help him with that mission.
I don't need backup, especially not a noob.
Easy, Tup. Remember the Freedom Pals motto.
Yeah, retribution, but with inclusion.
I'll send you the details on the mission. When you get there, we can begin. In the meantime, I must get back to my work.
Wow, well, this stuff must have cost at least $100. Yeah, we're totally Freedom Pals. Woo! Oh boy, I wish Koostagram had a love button.
You gotta prove yourself before we can do that, new kid.
Not so fast. Prove that you really want to be here first.
Already in the evidence locker after we nabbed that vigilante. Stop or we'll call the police.
Need to get somewhere quickly? Awesome. Catch you later.
Looking for answers? Mr. Connor sends his regards. He wanted to come himself, but he's a very busy man. He mentioned some horrible tragedy happened to your mother. Funny how a few moments in our lives can completely change who we are, huh? And now you're gonna be taken out by assassins, known as the City Ninja Service. You know what to do with them when you're done.
Hey, wait, you forgot to pay me.
After it's done.
No. You hire services of a Shitty Ninja Service, you pay in advance. That's on the website.
You don't sound Japanese. Are you sure you're really ninjas?
Yeah, I ninja. Look at my fucking eyes. Come on, give me a check made out to a Shitty Ninja Service.
Just get it over with.
Okay, hello, we're from Shitty Ninja. I'm afraid we got paid to assassinate you today, so we have to do that, of course, on Russ. You want to pay us not to? $5,000. Okay, if you don't want to pay bribe, we're gonna have to murder you. Prepare for shitty combat. Please enjoy authentic ninja fighting breeze.
나는 기다린다.
All right, ready to make some weather? Stop time!
Ow! That's no fair.
너의 쿵푸는 약하구나.
Prepare to suffer, fools!
Attack maneuver initialized.
Time to die.
Ninja instincts awaken.
Hey, you leave him alone!
준비하라.
I'll put you on ice.
Ow! Fuck you, stupid kid. Oh, that hurt very much.
Bad news, villains. I'm a good guy now.
Ow! Take an order, please. A shitty beef with shitty chicken.
Upper tornado.
Ow! Where are my goddamn shitty ninjas to defend me? Oh.
し読んだ
Only like a 20 ninja in a world know that move.
One less turn for the bad guys.
忍者アクション準備
Storm's brewing.
A curse is upon me
Yeah, we got this, you guys.
My hammer is ready to bring chaos to all who defy me.
All right. Time for the Tupperware party. Engage Tupper Tornado.
My body is strong シュグミボインだ
Oh,
심장치기 닌자의 운이 좋다 인조의 닌자 스카
freeze!
My trial begins 슈퍼 킬 어택 파워
Chaos is on the rise. Chaos commands you to rise.
Hey, you down, you stay down.
Meanwhile, at the Hall of Super Best Friends.
Let all debts be forgiven and all slaves freed. Mwah!
Protect the innocent. Uphold the law. Tupper Tornado warning.
연기는 때릴 수 없지 닌자 스타 매우 날카롭지
Yeah!
I bring death 아 추워
The storm cometh! Thunderbolts and lightning!
닌자 파워는 멈출 수 없다 Beware the tiger in the grass
It's time to unleash my greatest weapon, the Hammer of Chaos! For chaos!
Another one down.
I am like a mountain
Ready to initiate Tuppermech upgrade.
닌자 공 격자세 준비 완료. 라! 워리어 스피릿 레디. 닌자 어택 베리 데들리.
Enemy down.
슈퍼 닌자 권법 준비. 흐아! Lightning flows within me.
The weather's about to turn! Who wants a popsicle?
괜찮은 공격이었다. 닌자들은 빨라.
I calculate our odds of survival at 90.6%.
Remember this day, for it is the day you die.
말이야. Just a fresh wound.
I'm about to bring it.
추워. 슈퍼 닌자 속도와 힘. 데몬스트레이트 닌자 테크닉. 아, 진짜로 때리네.
I bet your parents are super proud of you.
Here comes Tupperware. Take this.
You test my reserve. 호랑이관.
Turn erased.
Chaos is coming for you!
아직 끝이 아니야. We enter the eye of the storm. 아, 얘네들 왜 이렇게 재미없냐? 워디 4.
Tupperware, keeping it fresh. Taking you out.
That was some state-of-the-art butt whipping.
Kid power!
Prepare for your doom!
Yeah, this ain't over yet. Vector calculations complete. Attack sequence engaged.
You can stop playing dead, new kid. We beat him. Hey, fellas, that was super neat.
So hard to find a good ninja these days?
Remember the Dagobah system?
Sure, I remember. I loved it. Remember Steady Alpha 5? Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Oh, Mimi.
Hey, you're that farty kid from the TV. How about a picture? Oh, fucking glad that's over.
I bet a selfie would rub my stupid husband jealous. How about it? Attaboy, kid. I'll look for you on...